Hi. A couple of weeks ago, I applied for the forgiveness of the PPP loan that I received. I only qualified for the first one. I'll show you that in a moment. And they reached out to me. It was through Womply, and they sent me this link to the SBA. I signed in. I submitted my data. But why am I showing you this? I took a screenshot. I'm going to show you why I'm showing you this. I blocked out the loan number. It took maybe 10 minutes to submit the information. It was $2,880 I received, and I kept track of paying myself every week, and I was ready to submit the data. At least give a screenshot of this is what I did with the money. I paid myself a little bit each week. That's what I decided to do with it. And it helped me when I needed it the most. And during the process of submitting my application, right before I said yes to everything and reviewed it, it told me, as a result of your COVID revenue reduction score and or the characteristics of your request, the SBA has determined that no documentation is required to support your forgiveness request at this time. I can't imagine why somebody would request me to prove that I paid myself every week. I'm more than willing. I still, I have the information. I can't imagine them requesting me to pay it back, $2,880. The second PPP loan, I did everything the same, and I did it twice, and they said no. And I remember the second PPP, people submitted their information, and then 5 weeks later, they were told to use their gross income. This was on my net income, because they kept changing the rules. They did it on purpose. However, I feel they would just want to screw the little person, and that's how I feel. I gained an amazing financial education doing this myself. I did at least get $2,880. I paid myself every week. It got me through a tough time, and I can't imagine why they would request me to pay this back. And if they do, I'll let you know. But this was 2 weeks ago. I submitted this information, and I checked today. I'm still waiting for my tax refund. It tells me, people have asked me, what do they tell you? What are they saying to you? It says your tax return is still being processed. A refund date will be provided when available. I did look up that. Let me see if I have it here open still. Oh my gosh. Do I? I do. Does the IRS pay interest on refunds in 2021? In pandemic or disaster-related postponements, like the coronavirus, the IRS is required by law to pay interest, calculated from the original filing deadline, April 15th, as long as an individual files a federal income tax return by the postponed deadline of, and I did. I think I showed you I did. Oh, I don't have that page open. It was May 5th or May 6th that they accepted my application, and I'm still waiting. I thought I had that open, guys. I thought I had a picture of that. I'm so sorry. So they are going to pay that little bit of interest. It says the average refund interest amount is $18, but I'm still waiting for it, And I'm hoping that by the end of September, I was looking up to find out if it's mandatory that they have to give us a tax refund by the end of the year. So it was accepted on May 5th. I'm sorry, I thought I took a screenshot of that. I didn't in my TurboTax. But it says the same information. This is what I'm expected. This is what I'm supposed to receive. I already paid the state. They took it immediately, and now they're making me wait for this. So hang in there, everyone. I told you I would let you know what happened with the PPP. That's what they told me immediately. They determined that no documentation is required. I'm so low on the poll that if they asked for this back, I would be like, I wouldn't know what to say, really. I'd probably be tongue-tied. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video. And see you in the next video clip. Have a good one, folks. Bye.